Hi, my name is Michael Bilski. I'm the CFO with Allied Fire Protection.
My name is Dallas Hall. I'm the president of Allied Fire Protection. Allied Fire Protection was founded in 1998 by John Hubbard and Shannon Payne. Shannon's still our current CEO. We have offices in Dallas, San Antonio, Austin, McAllen, Laredo, and then Houston's our home base. I was in the banking business for 7 years, and actually one of my colleagues that I just had an immense amount of respect for, he ended up moving to Veritex Bank, and he told me all the wonderful things that Veritex stood for and some of the great companies they worked for, and then we got to meet a lot of the team members out at Veritex, and we realized almost instantaneously that this was a cultural fit and a bank that we could really grow with.
Veritex approached us at a very critical time from the company standpoint. We had a partner who was stepping down for retirement, and we were really working to recapitalize the whole organization. Veritex stepped up and really came through with a very powerful offer that really helped us from an operational standpoint, and obviously the culture and the people we were working with, it was a very nice fit. When Veritex joined the relationship with Allied Fire Protection, we moved all in with Veritex. They're our lender, and that certainly started the conversation, but we've moved all of our transactional accounts to Veritex as well. We have also leaned on them at times for equipment lines of credit. They've been an absolute partner as we continue to grow. I think the relationship is really the key. They understand our business, and they are absolutely there as partners for us. Anytime a need changes or a situation arises where we need to lean on them, they're there for us. They're willing to get creative with whatever additional needs we have and come up with a package that ultimately works for us from an operational standpoint.
It's a forward-thinking bank, right? There's certain banks that we can work with that are order takers, and when we need something, they'll provide it. Veritex, they can provide solutions and maybe ideas that we're not even thinking about as an organization as we give them our growth goals. So I think that's one of the biggest things is progressive thinking versus just being an order-taking institution. Business is all about people. We kind of have a four-pillar approach, right? Giving back to the communities that do so much for us. That's one of the key pieces, right? The folks that have helped us build this, making sure your employees are taken care of. And then we look at our customers. Obviously, we couldn't do anything without our customers. That's what drives our business. But just as importantly as anything is the folks that we use, like the Veritex, our insurance guys. We can't do it without the advice and having professionals around us that we trust to provide the right services in order to fuel our growth.
I think the banking relationship is founded upon them understanding you and your core business. I've been with other organizations, and everybody's got their own twists, their own little nuances, their own challenges that they're fighting through. The banker has to fully understand those challenges. If they don't, then they're not a good partner for you. I think that's the area that Veritex has been unique in. They stand out in that regard. They delved into understanding what the core of our business was, then expanded on how they could help in some areas we're struggling in. I would give them my highest recommendation. They've been absolutely critical for the 3 years we've been with them, and I have nothing but positive things to say about everybody I've met in the organization.